Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Cheval local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to local moves in Cheval FL, 3 Movers will carefully assess your moving needs and create a personalized plan just for you. Our skilled Cheval local TM movers will arrive at your doorstep with all the necessary equipment and packing supplies. We'll efficiently and safely load your belongings onto our well-maintained moving trucks. Navigating the streets of Cheval is second nature to us. Being familiar with the city gives us an advantage as a moving company. We know the best routes to avoid unnecessary delays or traffic congestion. This means your precious belongings will reach their destination promptly. Moving to a new city or state can be overwhelming, but rest assured, we have the expertise to handle every aspect of your relocation smoothly. Compared to local moves, long-distance moves require careful planning and coordination. Our Cheval long-distance 3 movers will work closely with you to create a comprehensive moving plan that suits your needs. We'll handle all the logistics, including securing necessary permits, organizing transportation, and coordinating delivery timelines. Safety is our top priority. We use high-quality packing materials and techniques to protect your items throughout the journey. Our experienced Cheval FL movers handle your belongings with the utmost care, from delicate furniture to fragile keepsakes. At 3 Movers, we understand that budget is crucial in long-distance moves. That's why we offer the best pricing options tailored to your budget. We believe in transparency, so you can trust that there won't be any hidden costs or surprises along the way. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cheval moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.